Here we are at our target 5E from our chapter 2 study guide. We're asked, what is the solution for the following lines? Now, when we hear the word solution, what should come to mind is that we should have some x, y coordinate value that actually where these two lines end up crossing and meeting. Now, how we actually discover that is we know that y is equal to this 4x plus 8. And at the same time, we know that y is equal to 7x minus 4. Now, since they're both equal to y, what we can go ahead and do is take this bottom one, the 7x minus 4, and throw it into the y into our top equation. Because again, the 7x minus 4 is equal to y. So we can go ahead then and just substitute it or replace it with this y in the top one. And when we do that, we end up with, instead of y, we have this 7x minus 4 that we just replaced it with, equals our 4x plus 8. Now, the whole reason why we would choose to do that is because now we don't have x's and y's, we just have x's. And we can go ahead and solve for just that single variable. Now, how we proceed from here is we want to get all of the x's on one side and all of the numbers on the other. So we might start off by maybe subtracting this 4x from both sides. And when we do that, we end up with 7x minus 4x. That gives us 3x. Still have minus 4 equals regular 8, because this positive 4x will cancel out with this negative 4x. Now, since this negative 4 is not stuck and glued to 3x, we're going to go ahead and add 4 to both sides. And so when we do that, we end up with just 3x equals 8 plus 4 gives us 12. Getting x by himself, we notice that we have 3 times x because it's stuck and glued to x. So what we would have to do to get rid of that 3 is go ahead and divide both sides by 3. Over here they cancel, leaving us with just our x equals 12 divided by 3 gives us then 4. So our x value comes out to be 4. Now that we've found our x value, what we need to do is find out what is our y value. Now, it doesn't really matter which one we throw it in. We can throw it into this line or this line because they will cross at the same xy point. So it doesn't matter which one we choose to throw it into. Let's go ahead and throw it into the top one. When we do that, we end up with y, which we don't know right now, is equal to, instead of 4x, we have 4 times our x value, 4. So again, just really substituting this 4 in that we just found for the x. And then we still have our plus 8 afterwards. From here, it's just a little bit of simplifying. So y, again, which we don't know, is equal to 4 times 4 gives us 16 plus 8. And so then we see that y comes out to be 24 when we add these two numbers together. So then it looks like our final solution here gives us 4 comma, again for the x value, and then for our y value, 24. So this would be our solution for, again, target 5E from our chapter 2 study guide.